Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool Estate washer and electric dryer matching set, excellent condition, extra large capacity, and I actually stuffed what I would call pretty good sized load. I mean, that's about the exact same size I run in all the other machines, even Super Capacity Plus. So we'll see how well it does with this load, but it actually holds a fair amount. It's got a pretty small footprint though, so it's kind of a neat little washer dryer setup. The dryer also extra large capacity, but we'll see what this large load looks once we get it moved over and take a look at it inside of there. Otherwise, this washer is in excellent shape. Got a little touch up to do on both units still, a little more deep cleaning, but everything has been tested. So the washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. That's everything mechanical, electrical, it all gets checked. Has to be working perfect before listed for sale and before it leaves my care. So I'm gonna let you see that this one is working perfect. It's filling up now. You get to see it agitate, you get to see it spin, get to hear it, make sure it sounds nice, smooth, balanced, and all that good stuff. So we'll let it fill up and go ahead and start agitating, and we'll come back to it. Okay, now we're on to the agitation. It's doing an excellent job. Nice strong agitation, getting those clothes real clean. Sounds great. We'll come back for that final spin. Alright, washer still on the agitation, getting those clothes nice and clean. Went ahead and moved the dryer over here, so I'll go ahead and show you that while we're waiting on that washer. Go ahead and just hit go. It's on auto dry high heat. You can see in here that it sounds great. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Right in between my two red dots there gives you a surface measurement of the temperature in Fahrenheit. So the floor is a little bit cooler. So we'll go ahead and open this up. I'm going to shoot it right inside the heating element tube there. You can see there's plenty of heat. Nice and hot. That in turn, coming out of this little grate here, heats the inside of your dryer up anywhere from 95 to 195. That way your clothes get nice, dry, real fast, and that's determined on what heat setting you have it on here. So if you have delicates, you can go low heat here, no heat fluff for the real delicate items. I don't know, whatever you'd use that setting for. But extra large capacity on the dryer. Let's see, back over here. 2-speed washer, so if you can hear, the agitation has actually switched up a little bit. Goes from a heavy agitation to slow agitation. So now you know the dryer heats properly. We're going to let this washer go ahead and finish out. I'll show you the spin cycle. Then you'll get to hear the dryer with a full load of clothes in it. Alright, and we are on the final spin. See, it's nice smooth operation. Sounds great. I'm going to lift this up and show you it's spinning nice and fast, and it will shut it down, show you that the lid switch works. There you go. Alright, I'm going to let that finish spinning the water out. We'll pop them in the dryer for you. Okay, got those clothes pulled out of the washer. Got them piled into the dryer there. And we'll just hit go. You can see it's got nice smooth operation. Sounds great. You already know it's heating correctly. That's going to do it for this set. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. We'll get these listed up for sale, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks again. Have a great day.